Earwax is nasty. Compound that with dirt and debris, and AirPods can get filthy in a hurry. This tool makes it easier than ever to clean your AirPods, AirPods Pro, or other in-ear earbuds and other devices safely. But before we start, please subscribe our channel and hit bell notification icon for more review videos. This is a Ponywalk multifunction cleaning kit. Let's open this box and you will find a cleaning pen equipped with metal nibs, fiber brushes, and soft flocking sponges. It is made from aluminum, stylish and simple appearance, and its cover has a magnetic attraction. This cleaning pen has double-ended hidden detachable design, in addition to metal nibs, high-density fiber brushes and soft flocking sponges. The design of the nib is double-headed, which means you can use this nib from both sides. It has a metal round tip to remove dirt from earphones and smartphones, etc. It also has a high-density brush for removing dust. It also has flocking spun. It also comes with silicone nibs and ultrafine brushes to meet a variety of cleaning needs. This cleaning pen has a double-ended hidden detachable design. You can change the side and use it from both sides. Let me show its simple operation. The cleaning mode is simple and easy to operate, suitable for digital products such as Bluetooth headsets, earplugs, mobile phones, tablets, cameras, etc. Metal nib can quickly clean the dirt, and with a brush you can remove dust from earphones. And with a sponge you can clean the earphone charging compartment. You can see how well it cleans. You can use silicone nib to remove dust from the keyboard. It not only prevents your device from being scratched, but also cleans stubborn dirt when cleaning, and it is used with an ultrafine brush to clean more easily and efficiently. Stylish and simple appearance, the switch cover has a magnetic attraction, which can be closed easily and brings fun. Hope you will like this video. Special product purchase link is mentioned in description. Go get yours. Please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell notification icon for more technology reviews.